Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Just earlier I filmed myself taking all of the seeds that I had in a little baggie that I thought were too wet, and I placed them all in here, and we're going to see what happens with that. It's just more of a test. And what I'm going to do now, I might as well just do it right now. I've got the same seeds and I've just taken out 6 of them. So these are the same green pepper ones, and I'm just going to take all of these and I'm going to put them into these little pods. These ones here are just soaking up right now. These are the little pods that I use. And before you add water to them, that's what they look like. So they're very, very small. Let me just hold that up a little bit so you can see that for a little bit longer. You don't have to get this brand. Everybody sells these. So there they are, just like that. That's what they look like. Okay, so I am just going to get one of these seeds into each one. I'm just going to try a different technique with these seeds. So either when I did the baggie, I applied too much water, or the seeds just didn't like the temperature. It could have been a little bit too cold. I'm just going to get them in like this and just cover them up. It's amazing how these little pods work. There we go. And that little box of 36 was pretty inexpensive. It's just, I think it was $5.99, bought over at Home Depot. So you see I'm just covering the, let's try to remember which ones we're doing here. Get that one right in the middle. We got 2 more here, one there. And this one here is quite deep, so I'm just going to pull some of the soil to the middle and then throw it in and then cover it. Right now it is 15 degrees outside. Oh, I'm not even on camera doing this. It's 15 degrees outside right now. A very nice day, and it's actually sunny. So the weather is turning, but believe it or not, I still have ice on my driveway and I still have a lot of snow on my lawn. There we go. Let me just push it in a little bit and then just pull that soil over. So there we go. So this is day 1 of germination for these. And if there's any kind of activity, then I will be back to do an update. So there we go. So green pepper, today is April the 12th, and I'll be back when we have some activity. So that's it. Thanks for watching.